Now we need to test if the power supply has problem. We will go to choose the golden handle firstly. Okay, and we need to adjust the energy to maximum. Okay, now we need to prepare a multimeter and adjust it to DC. Okay, here is the position. You can see it has a red and a black cable, and you need to plug in it to a correspond position. At the same time, press the handle, press the working handle, and test it. Make sure. Okay, and here is the number around 19 to 22. It means the power supply has no problem. Okay.